Come on the joggers park, na? Sunny, यहाँ पे.
Tops. थोड़ा थोड़ा एकदम हाँ. This in the.
Sunny.
Media is very cooperative.
Sunny. Sunny, yes, great. Sunny.
We're going to plant more than 1,000 trees in Mumbai, in suburbs, and the initiative will be started today by the worthy hands of Sunny Leone ji and many more celebrities. Now I would like to request the media to please have a one-to-one Q&A with Sunny ji. ठीक है, पहले तो उठा लेना विकी. I think let's have a backdrop of the Bangla Foundation plus the. कब? इसको ले लो. खाली खड़े रहना लेके फिर ले जाना. भाई वांट लिया ना? इधर आगे keep it and then बाद में ले जाना just for the photo. इधर पीछे से क्रॉस. इधर इस पे. हाँ इधर ले लो पीछे. टेबल के आगे संभाल के. एक मिनट. Just hold it for some time and then. Thank you very much.
Well, I'm really excited to be here, and you know, it's all about saving our planet. It's all about making this world so much better. You might be able to hear it later.
Yeah. Okay, sir. So you can answer here.
Okay. Hi. Can you hear me now? All right.
So loud kar dena, loud.
So I do believe that, you know, Earth Day and planting trees and all these different things, you know, we celebrate it on one day, but what I love is we're going to be planting trees every single day up until the 5th of June. And I think every single day we should do something for our environment. We only have one Earth, and if we destroy it, then, you know, I think that's a horrible, horrible thing. And we should recycle, we should plant trees, we should take care of our Earth just like we take care of ourselves. I was so excited. I don't know if I have much of a green thumb, but I do love gardening. I do love planting and planting flowers, and the first time I'm planting a tree, so I'm very excited. And it was really easy to say yes, because when you're doing something that's not for yourself, and you're doing something for the planet, you're doing something maybe to teach these little ones right next to you that taking care of, you know, Mother Earth is very important. So it's easy.
Sure. I just want to thank Asif, first off. Thank you for having us and for all the great work that he does and his organization. It's really amazing. And I just think that it's our responsibility and all of our responsibility to pass along something to the next generation and it's not we are not allowed to destroy it. It's not ours to destroy. So it's important that we preserve and we do the best that we can and take care of where we live, because our children deserve that, I think.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Let me not interview. Just pass the mic.
We have a green crusader, Arshad Warsi. Thank you so much for coming.
Big round of applause for Arshad Warsi.
Any questions for Arshad Warsi? Also most welcome. Because
green questions.
any green questions?
Green questions, yeah.
Arshad, your thoughts on this day and the initiative?
Thoughts on my day? I mean, I think it's a wonderful thing. Asif Bhai has been doing this for a very long time. I don't know. I mean, I know him for like many years. Before I got into movies, and so we've been friends for a long time. And he's always been like that. He's been wanting to do this for Bandra, and now he wants to do it for everywhere, all over India. So he's been pushing this. It's damn good. I think the number of cars we have today and the amount of pollution we have around, I think every car you should need to plant 2 trees at least to balance it out. So I think what he's doing is a great deal. I think we all should be part of it, and we should all push him and help him out in this endeavor all the time and always. I sound like a politician.
That would mean we'd have to plant like 2 billion trees before June 5th.
Any more questions for Sunny ji and Arshad ji?
Sunny, how would you like to take this initiative forward from your efforts?
Well, from my efforts, my household recycles, so I already make that effort. I believe in throwing trash in the trash bin and not on the ground. I wish there was like a fine in India. If you threw something out of your window that you'd get a fine. But my household, does recycle. We have, our bin for foliage. We have our bin for garbage. We have a bin for plastics and paper. So we do that already.
Arshad, Mumbai वासियों के लिए कोई संदेश?
I think ये जो सनी ने कहा वो बहुत अहमियत रखता है। अगर हम लोग जो हम लोग का वेस्ट मैटर है, जो घर से जो सारा गंद जो निकलता है वो अलग अलग कंटेनर्स में डाल दें तो बहुत आसानी हो जाएगी। इतना मैं ये ज़रूर कहूँगा कि आई थिंक मोदी जी की मेहरबानी से काफ़ी सफाई हो गई है, बहुत ही विजिबल है। बॉम्बे इस वक्त काफ़ी साफ है, तो विच इज़ अ वेरी गुड थिंग। बट आई थिंक यही है कि अगर अपने जो जितने गंद है ना फैलाएं, अगर देश को अपने घर के जैसा रखें तो आई थिंक काफ़ी फ़ायदा होगा। हम लोग हमारे घर में तो वो सब नहीं करते जो हम लोग देश में करते हैं। घर में तो हम लोग कोई चीज़ उठा के आसपास में नहीं फेंक देते हैं, तो गाड़ी के बाहर नहीं फेंकते हैं। आई थिंक कहीं पे अगर देश को घर जैसा समझेंगे तो ये मेंटली हम लोग ठीक हो जाएंगे। Thank you. There's somebody clapping. Clap, people.
Yes.
Thank you. This is just generally, I just came for this.
It's a very private audience actually, but typical, that's why.
Yes, please. Hello.
So how would you like to celebrate today? Because it's World Environment
I think Asif Bhai is celebrating for all of us, really. The number of trees he's planting, I don't think we can do it. I can possibly compete with that. But I must tell you that my house is like a jungle. So, yeah, I've got too many trees and too many plants. Maria is hell. I mean, I think she thinks somewhere down the line I'm Tarzan. We've got lots of trees in the house.
Arjun Rampal ji, a huge round of applause for Arjun ji. Welcome, sir. I think people have been hearing us. The media wants to also hear Arjun on his views on environment. He's done a fantastic video for the Bamla Foundation. And now, in a huge round of applause, I give the mic to Arjun Rampal.
Before that, 1 second. Before that, I'd like to welcome the MCGM members. Mr. Mundeji, please come on dais from the HVS ward. And Sonali madam, please. Aye. Shiva. Mundeji, please come here. So the MCGM HVS ward, Mr. Munde has been very kind, has been supporting the foundation and been helping us. Sonali madam, thank you very much. And the news is that the Joggers Park right now is being maintained and taken care by these two Green Crusaders. Thank you very much, Mundeji. Okay, now we go to Mr. Arjun Rampal. Questions? Okay, let Arjun first talk.
Then I'll be able to shout.
Sorry.
Give him the mic.
Yeah.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. It's wonderful to be here. Thank you, Asif. Okay, hi Sunny. How are you doing? Okay. Got more sun into this place.
There's Arshad Bhai on my right.
And, Arshad. How are you doing? Okay, so it's really nice to be here. And I'm really grateful for the Bamla Foundation to put together such an event where they are planting, I think, what, 5,000 trees today?
No, 1,000 trees from today till the 5th of...
1,000 trees.
Yeah.
That's great. You know, we really need it. I think it's really, the hour of what this environment really needs, what this planet really needs. You know, it's an hour of need. And I think we all need to make our difference. And the carbon footprint is increasing. You can see the weather is changing so erratically. And I was recently at climbed the Siachen Glacier. And every year that glacier is going down by a kilometer. It's melting by a kilometer. It's just a 72-kilometer glacier. It's going to, in maybe another 30 years or 40 years, we won't have that glacier out there. And this is all because of global warming. It's a true thing. no matter what whichever president of whichever country believes, okay, it is true. Global warming is there. It's a reality, and we got to make a difference.
Any questions?
Manisha.
We have
a very famous renowned celebrity designer, Mr. Manish Malhotra. Give a big round of applause for Mr. Manish Malhotra. Thank you, Manish ji, for supporting this endeavor, this cause. Mamla Foundation very grateful, and their thoughts on this tree plantation day.
Well, I think the entire credit of this evening goes to Asif Mamla, because we should clap for him and his Mamla Foundation, because of you we are all here, and I think this is something that we all should be doing, leading our work, paying attention to our environment, because this is where we live. And of course, Bandra is more special to us. We've been Bandraites, we've been living here, and so we're all here. So let's go on for this, and let's plant a lot more trees all over the world. And we have this gorgeous, gorgeous Pooja Batra, who I was hearing in the radio, all the way from America, stunning as ever, always. So welcome, Pooja Batra.
Thank you so much.
Everybody's here. I'm seeing them one by one. I'm also seeing everybody.
Jarvis Park is looking more beautiful today. It's more green and more charming.
more colorful.
More colorful. Pooja ji, your thoughts? Your thoughts on today's tree plantation drive, please.
मैंने हर्षद से अभी कहा कि एक आप ही हैं जो हमेशा बहुत क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं और बहुत अच्छी बात है. I was just praising you to Harshad. आप पूछ लीजिए हर्षद से. That I like that about you कि आप हमेशा interested होते हैं. हमेशा आप चाहे fashion week हो, चाहे fashion show, चाहे आज हम लोग यहाँ पे. So the thing is that actually through my friend Imtiaz, when Asif met me, he said that this is what we've been doing, and I saw the videos and I was absolutely blown over, and I was like, why haven't I been a part of this? And I think that we all have to take our environment very seriously, and so this is a very, very good move, and I think that more and more people should be involved, and also I think civic sense and environmental friendliness is something that we all should be very, very aware of.
आसिफ जी, one more thing is, जैसे मुंबई की बात करें, तो काफी जो पेड़ हैं काटे जा रहे हैं for a purpose like development and metro. Do you think that is something right?
I would agree with this fully, because if this question was asked to me maybe 3 years back, I would have agreed to it. Now the media is so active. The people, I mean, there's so much of activism here, that even if an ordinary person sees somebody or even a builder or developer trying to, do this, trying to destroy a tree, I'm sure there is a lot of the administration is also very vibrant towards this. As I said, 7 years back or 8 years back when we started, I remember the first program on the World Environment Day was attended by Arjun Rampal. If you remember, it was raining like crazy, and we all were standing there with our umbrellas there on the Carter Road, on the 5th of June. So at that point in time, when we talked about the awareness, it wasn't so high. I mean, people were not very involved with that. Slowly, we had brand ambassadors like Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar also attended one of our Environment Day functions, and he spoke so rationally, and I think it made a lot of difference. Not that just because Sachin Tendulkar, everybody follows just that, but more and more awareness is happening. And as I said, of course, there would be a certain level of destruction with trees, but then to compensate that, we have to plant more trees. Like now in this span of 1,000 trees that we plant, so it's again a good initiative. It's a positive for that negativity to cover up. There is a lot of positive activities, and I thank the film stars. So anything else relating to the 5th of June, on which we have the main day, if there's any questions that needs to be addressed, let me know. If there's any questions you all want to ask for the 5th June function of the World Environment Day on the Carter Road, opposite the Cafe Coffee Day at the Amphitheatre. If there are any more questions, I can address them.
One question right here, please. Yeah. I want to know, a lot of world leaders have come out and said you can choose one thing, either development or environment. You can only choose one. What do you want to say about that? There have been people all around the world who come out and say...
You mean if there is development, you can't have environment? Who says so?
A lot of people have come out and said...
When there was a plan to have the trees cut off at RA Mill Colony, I'm sure everybody knows it's a very vital issue. That entire operation or action has been stalled. Now the activists are bargaining with the government that for X number of trees that you utilize. Now again, development also is very important. Now if you want to have a metro train there to come up, you can't stop that development in larger interests. Okay, that is equally important because we all are going to. That's also public service for all of us. It's not just for you or for me, for anyone in particular. So development and environment consciousness both go hand in hand. So there is nothing that if there is development and then and if there is environment, then you don't think of development. We are not staying in a feudal age. So both have to coincide and both have to go together.
Would you ask the government to probably choose something else rather than such a metro in our economy?
Well, that's for the government to decide, but I'm sure there would be a compensational plan for it. The government also of the hour is cannot do anything it decides to do because there is a sizable opposition. B, it's the voice of the media, and C, as I said, there is too much of activism. Everyone today is environment conscious. Although the execution will still take time, but I'm sure in years from now we will be much better off than what we are now. Any other questions?
May I say one thing, Asif? Asif, can I say something?
Yeah, please. Arjun wants to say something.
Yeah, for your, I don't think Aryan Colony should be, there should be any metro there. I'm totally against it. I don't think that is the right thing to do. You know, if you go anywhere to any developed country, if it's New York, if it's London, Paris, Chicago, wherever you go, if you see the cities are built around parks, because the parks become the lungs of the city. In the night, those trees give oxygen back in, take out all the carbon dioxide from the air. And that's why those cities don't feel like cities in India, which have been developed, trees have been sacrificed, and you see, you know, a lot of dust, a lot of, you know, pollution, the quality of the air is not good. And that's, when we are talking about development, it's also development of health. Healthcare is a very, very vital part of development. You know, it's no point having buildings and terrible, you know, environment around you. So I think what's really, really important is for all of us to get conscious about that and to see that the green belt in our city, in our cities, adjoining cities, developing towns and cities, the green belt is really, really secure and safe because those truly are the lungs of those places.
Arshad, आप कुछ कहेंगे इस पर?
नहीं. Okay. I think Sunny should wrap it up the last word. I mean, you know, because she's been hearing from all of us. I think everybody wants to hear for Sunny. I can see a lot of hands being raised from there of the enthusiasm of a lot of people here to hear Sunny. So I think Sunny will do the last honors, and then there will be this tree plantation drive. Security, मेरा गुजारिश है आप लोगों से कि कृपया करके cordon off करें और मेरी आप लोगों से भी गुजारिश है. If you need pictures with the stars after the tree plantation, which is very symbolic and the need for today, please let us do that. We have to plant here in this patch at least 10 trees in this patch, and then the tree plantation drive will go on from here. So please do not disturb the stars. They are here. They're going to be with you all guys till you all have all the pictures done. But for the tree plantation, we request you all to cooperate with us, to support us, so that that's very peacefully done, so that media can also have their pictures. After which, all my friends who are here, I know there are a lot of people who want selfies, so you guys also will be taken care. And now the final word to Sunny, please. Yeah, later. After her.
There's so much information that was given today, and I think that the main issue here is just to love your city, love your home, love the earth that we live in, and take care of it like you take care of yourself, because we only have one earth. So thank you so much for coming out today.
There's one media picture. Okay. Can we request all of them to come?
All the stars, please come here, one media picture, and then after that I request Bamla Foundation wanted to please clear the table and the chairs from here.
चेयर हटा लो जब तक अमन ये चेयर हटा दो
सब लोग यहाँ पे सेंटर में
चेयर हटा दो सारे
अभी सब लोग यहाँ पे राइट में सर लास्ट नाउ यू आर लेफ्ट साइड सर एक बार राइट में
चेयर साइड में
एक सेंटर में सर
चेयर हटा दो ना यहाँ से प्लीज, चेयर साइड में कर लो। सरफराज खालिद लोग कहाँ हैं? चेयर हटा लो, चेयर हटा लो।
जरा लाइट खाली कर दे कैमरा।
सारे चेयर हटा दो यहाँ से प्लीज।
अरे क्या नीचे रहो, एक खड़ा है बीच में, नहीं यार सड़क नीचे बढ़ो, नीचे बढ़ो। चलो हो गया। अरे बैठो ना। We have another tree also after this.
You're conserving water. Thank you.
Where you come to say? First plant, we have to plant Sunny. Sunny, Sunny is champion. Shan, where's Shan? The back. आम्हाला बाद झाला यार.
You're getting like pros by the time. Yeah.
Awesome. Now let's take a picture with Adnan.
Once Pooja leaves it, stay up. Okay. सर वो साइड में सर शान कम है थोड़ा कैमरा पीछे मैम सब लोग झाड़ को हाथ लगाओ झाड़ को हाथ लगाओ
Thank you.
Rock solid.
Everybody needs one of these gardens.
Thank you. Thank you guys.